Now I'm gonna teach you how to install resistors. So we got a base, resistance, and 2 connecting chips, and the pliers. First, let's take a look at the base. So there are 3 wires on the base. 1 black, 1 red, and 1 blue. The black one is negative. Red and blue ones are positive. One of them is turn signal line and the other one is tail light parking light. So let's test it out to see which is which. First of all, we connect black lines and red line. So we can see the yellow light is on, which means that the red line is turn signal line. Then we connect black line and blue line. So the white line is on, which means that blue line is tail light and parking light. So we need a resistor in parallel with the negative and the turn signal light, which are black and red lines. Then we connect the wires to the chips, like this. Then use pliers to pinch the metal sheet above. So we can see the metal sheet within the insulation sheet, and then the 2 connected wires to make sure the cable has been pressed. So let's put on the chip. And we will do the same thing to connect the other side. So that's it. It's just that simple.